Looking for a micro SD card that keeps up with your fast-paced digital life? The Cloudic 32GB micro SD card delivers high-speed performance with read speeds up to 90 megabytes per second and write speeds of 25 megabytes per second. That means smoother 4K video recording and quicker file transfers, perfect for DSLR cameras, drones, action cams, and more. I've tested this card across several devices, and what stands out is its consistent speed and reliability. Whether I was shooting burst photos or editing HD videos, the Cloudic card handled everything without a hiccup. Plus, it cut my file transfer times by 65% compared to other cards I've used. That efficiency really makes a difference when you're working on tight deadlines or capturing moments on the fly. Beyond speed, durability matters, and this card is built tough. It features triple-layer protection to resist temperature extremes, water immersion, and mechanical shocks. That rugged design gives peace of mind, especially if you're out in the field with your drone or action camera, knowing your data stays safe no matter what. Compatibility is another strong point. This micro SD card works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including Android phones, dashcams, gaming consoles, and tablets. It's a versatile choice if you want a reliable storage upgrade across your gadgets without juggling multiple cards. If you're worried about support, Cloudic backs this card with a 1-year warranty covering manufacturing defects. While normal wear and tear isn't included, you can trust the brand's commitment to product reliability. That's an important reassurance when investing in storage you depend on daily. So, what do you get with the Cloudic 32GB micro SD card? Fast, stable performance that handles 4K video and burst photography, rugged protection for demanding environments, and broad compatibility with your favorite devices. It's designed to make your digital workflow smoother and more dependable. If that sounds like the kind of upgrade your gear needs, this card is worth a look. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or tech enthusiast, it fits right in with your lifestyle. Try it when you're ready to experience faster transfers and tougher storage without compromise.